In this video, we will solve applied problems involving rate, time, and work. A rate measure often involves a unit of time. If car A travels 50 miles in 1 hour, then car A's rate of work is 50 miles per 1 hour, or 50 miles over 1 hour. If car A travels for 3 hours, the amount of work is 50 miles over 1 hour times 3 hours equals 150 miles. To find the amount of work produced by an individual or machine, first identify the rate of work and time worked, then use the formula for amount of work. The formula for amount of work is the amount of work is equal to the rate of work times the time worked, or W equals RT. For example, a carpenter can install 1 door in 3 hours. Find the number of doors the carpenter can install in 40 hours. The rate of work is 1 door per 3 hours, or 1 door over 3 hours. In 40 hours, the carpenter can install 1 door over 3 hours times 40 hours is 40 over 3 doors, or 13 1/3 doors. We'll round this to 13 doors because it's not much use to install a third of a door. To find the amount of work each individual or machine produces when working together, first identify the rate of work for each individual or machine involved. If unknown, assign a variable to represent the unknown. Then identify the time worked for each individual or machine. Again, assign a variable to represent the unknown. Only one variable should be used. Other unknowns should be written in relation to the variable. Finally, use the formula for completing one job. The formula for completing one job when A and B are working together is A's rate of work times A's time worked plus B's rate of work times B's time worked is equal to A's amount of work plus B's amount of work, which is one completed job. For example, pipe 1 fills a tank in 6 minutes and pipe 2 fills the same tank in 8 minutes. How long does it take for both pipes together to fill the tank? Pipe 1's rate of work is 1 tank per 6 minutes. Pipe 2's rate of work is 1 tank per 8 minutes. We do not know the time worked. We assign this time the variable t. So 1 tank per 6 minutes times t plus 1 tank per 8 minutes times t equals 1 tank filled. The least common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24, so we multiply both sides of the equation by 24 to get 24 times 1/6 t plus 1/8 t equals 24 times 1. So 4t plus 3t equals 24, 7t equals 24, t equals 24/7, which is equal to 3 3/7 minutes. The formula for completing one job when A and B are working in opposition is A's rate of work times A's time worked minus B's rate of work times B's time worked are equal to A's amount of work minus B's amount of work, which is equal to one completed job. For example, a faucet fills a tank in 6 minutes. A drain empties the tank in 8 minutes. If both the faucet and the drain are open, in how many minutes will the tank overflow if the faucet is not turned off? The rate of work of the faucet is 1 tank per 6 minutes, and the rate of work of the drain is 1 tank per 8 minutes. Let the amount of time be t. Then 1/6 t plus 1/8 t equals 1. Again, the least common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24, so multiply both sides of the equation by 24 and get 4t minus 3t equals 24, or t equals 24 minutes.